Hi there, Ty with the Canix product team. In this video, we'll be going over how to set up your standard costs in Canix, both for non-cannabis inventory and cannabis inventory as well. So starting off with non-cannabis inventory, you'll navigate to your inventory table here. There's a few ways you can apply the costs. One is when you're creating a product, you have the option to add standard costs at the bottom of this modal. Another option is to select multiple items. Say we have sugars from different brands that are used for different manufacturing processes. Use this Actions tab to update these standard costs in bulk. So say $1, setting the standard costs for 2022. You hit apply all, and those costs will fill in below. So if you want to do a bulk workflow and you need to adjust a couple of these, that's no problem. You can edit them after you've set up that initial standard cost. So we'll submit those, and now we can see we have standard costs on these items. Another way to go about this is to actually hop into the details page of a specific item, and you can see the entire history of your standard cost here. So let's say next year we want to update the standard cost, increase it a little bit for inflation. Vendor change the prices. We can set an expiration date for our original cost and then create a new cost for the following year, or January 1st. We'll save that. And this ensures that your reporting reflects the appropriate price for when this good was applied to a given package. Next, we'll be taking a look at cannabis items. So works very, very similarly. If you wanted to go ahead and set these costs for a number of different bulk flower items, say, at the same time, you can follow this same workflow to set those costs. Again, we'll say we're just setting this for 2022 for now. Go ahead and submit, and you have those costs applied. Similarly to non-cannabis inventory, you'll also have the history on the items detail page. So you can see the entire history, exactly how the reporting is working out, and add additional standard costs for new reporting periods. Once you have those standard costs set up and you start to apply your NCI and source cannabis to different manufacturing runs, batches, or manually apply those COGs, you'll see that we've added standard cost columns to the packages table. So you're able to easily compare between your total COGs, cannabis COGs, labor COGs, and non-cannabis COGs versus your standard costs broken down in the same manner. So the projected cost here will be the sum of your cannabis standard cost, your non-cannabis standard cost, and your labor standard costs.